All right, here are the answers for the starters from Wednesday. So there's a proportional relationship between the age of Florence's apple tree in years X. So the years are down on the bottom at the X axis, and the height of the tree in feet, which is the Y axis, which is feet. And it says, what is the constant of proportionality? Write your answer as a whole number or a decimal. So remember that the constant of proportionality is just a unit rate. And in order to find that unit rate, we want feet per year. So we want the number of feet, the Y, over the X. So you can go to any spot. The easiest place to go if we're looking for a unit rate of 1 year, if you go to the 1 year and then you come up to where this line crosses. So for 1 year, it's 1 foot. So it's 1 foot per year. And you can look and it's for 2 feet, it's 2 years. So if you had 2 feet per 2 years, remember a unit rate is 1 year. We would just divide that by 2, divide by 2, and that would give us 1 foot per year. And anywhere that's on this line is going to have that same constant of proportionality or the same unit rate because it's on that line. And remember that if it's a proportional relationship, it's always going to start at that 0, 0. It's going to pass through the origin. So 1 foot per year is our constant of proportionality or our unit rate. Then the second one, we've got there's a proportional relationship between the length in feet of a hallway that Patrick covers with tiles, which is X. So that's the number of feet. And the number of tiles that he needs, that's the Y, that's our tiles. It's on the Y axis. So we want the number of tiles per foot. So again, tiles is the Y axis, that's this, over the X, because I want the feet on the bottom. So the easiest way is to try to go to the 1 and follow that 1 up to where it crosses the line right here. So for 1 foot, it takes 5 tiles. So it's 5 tiles per foot. And you could also look on this one, if you looked at the 2 tiles comes up here, and then it crosses at the 10. So you would have 10 tiles, 10 tiles for 2 feet. And if you were looking for the unit rate of 1 foot, you would just divide by 2, divide 10 by 2 to get that 5 tiles per foot. And in this one, it was easy because you could look at the 1 and the 5, but you can also go to where it crosses at the 2 and the 10 and get that same constant of proportionality, the same unit rate. And notice that it does still start at the origin, and this line just goes up at a constant rate.